I'm Scott. Today we're going to open this box and see what's inside it on Dad It Yourself. So I found the contents of this box on the internet a couple of months ago and had it delivered. It's something I've been looking for a while. They don't make it in the United States anymore. The version they have over in Australia I really want, but I can't seem to figure out how to get one shipped to the United States. So I found this one on eBay for $250 and had it shipped to me. So let's open this box up and see what it is. Well, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. AP1301 Ryobi 13-inch thickness planer. This is the predecessor to the RAP1500G thickness planer that's now currently available in Australia and some parts of Europe, but we can't get here in the United States. I tracked this one down on eBay about 2 months ago, and it's been sitting in my garage waiting for me to open it up. And I have a project coming up next week where I need it, so here it is. Let's open this box up now. Well, I got this thing out of the box finally. That expanding foam the shipper put in there was quite the challenge. I don't think this thing's ever been used. It still has the protective coating on the tray, and there's not a scratch on it or any sawdust anywhere. So I'm really impressed, and I got this for 250 bucks. A new wrap costs about $550, $560. So this is a pretty good deal. The only thing I'm a little miffed about is one, there's a little scratch here, but it's blue. I know there's a lot of old traditionalists out there that don't mind the Ryobi blue tools, but I have all Ryobi green tools. All my hand tools, all my garden tools, all my benchtop tools like my bandsaw and my drill press. So I think I'm going to take the plastic off this one and paint it Ryobi green. So here's all the blue pieces that need to be green. Got the two red labels right there from the sides of the arms. I got to remake those with black and silver, and then that one's going to have to be remade as well because it spanned this crack right here. I don't think I'm going to take the motor completely apart because I don't feel like rewiring it. So I'm just going to start taping everything up and getting it ready for paint. Well, there she is, good as new and green like the rest of my tools. This Rustoleum key line is almost a perfect match. Not perfect, but really close, good enough for me. Let's throw this thing up on the bench, put some power on it, and run a board through it. This Ryobi 1301 with its new paint job is going to be a great addition to my workshop. I got a project coming up where I'm going to be plating a bunch of black walnut, and this will be a nice tool to have. If you have any questions or comments about the process or what I did with this, put them down in the comments. Speaking of comments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I've got some videos over here you may be interested in. Subscribe button's right there. Thanks for watching. Dad it yourself.